Good morning, and it's a Saturday morning, and I hope you guys are staying safe, mask at all times, and as well as staying physical distance to other people as well. As you all know, the pandemic and the COVID-19 is something that we need to get to serious, and yeah, staying healthy as well. So yeah, so in this video, I'll be installing the back door of the ambient lighting that I have. I still have a lot of extras, and I'll be finishing it off today. The reason being I wasn't able to install it on my previous video. I was just mainly focusing on the front side and the head and the dashboard, and someone made a request on having it installed at the back, so I'm gonna show it to you on how I install it as much as possible. I'll install it the clean way, and more than happy to share it to you guys. Let's get right into it. So I have separated the remaining two LED bulbs right there. So that one is going to be going on the right side, and this is going to be on the left side. So what I'm going to do is I am going to run over here, right here. So I'm going to remove this panel. So up to the side right there, and so from there run it over here. I'm going to remove this panel, and then the same thing as what I did to the front right there, same thing what I did. So I'm going to remove this one as well. So the way I look at it, I think this is a little bit different from the front side, so probably this is much easier to remove. And then after which, remove the panel, measure the rubber tube and the optic fiber, and that should be good to go. And I'll repeat that process on the right side. Okay, so this is going to be time lapse. Good to go. So I have just completed the left side. It's all good. Let me just give it a test. If you can see, there you go. It's currently in green. Let me just shut it off. There you go. So I managed to complete the installation of the back door of the ambient lighting. So as you can see right here, this is the finished product. There you go. Neatly installed, beautiful, and it's pretty fantastic actually. So the wires is pretty much all concealed, nothing is exposed, and it's pretty good. And the same goes with the other side. Here you go. So this is the right side of the door. As you can see, let me focus that one. Alright. So the install was pretty easy. Well, it took me for about 4 to 5 hours to really finish it off. And it's going to be a struggle on your first time. If you're a first timer, you're gonna be struggling. So basically, just follow the video what I've actually done, and it'll be easy for you as well. So if you are a Mazda 3 owner, so this will be beneficial for you. All right, so good stuff. And if you like the video, what I did to my Mazda 3, hit the thumbs up. And if you would like to have, you know, more videos, what I do, installation, how to do, comment down below and let me know if you want to have this kind of videos, and I'll be more than happy and share with you guys. I did say in my previous video that I'm gonna have some modifications, I think, list of mods that I'm gonna be doing to my Mazda 3. I'll share that eventually, so soon enough. And yeah, have a good one, and I hope you like the video. Give a thumbs up and see you next one. Peace out.